Hey guys, I am back for the holidays. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm sorry I have been a little MIA. Life got a little bit hectic with this new salon and everything, but I'm super grateful for everything. I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of my holiday home. And sadly, I have a little good news, a little bad news. But kind of, yeah, I guess good news and bad news. So I will be moving from this location soon, but I'll be moving into something better and continue to grow. Thank you to you guys for encouraging me with this whole design process. It's something that I always wanted to do. But anyway, so guys, I hate talking in all these videos. So I'm just gonna get right into my design. We could talk after. A little bit of talking after, not a lot. So I don't know if you guys remember, but my last video I had the sofa in this position, and now I just kind of switched it so that I can isolate the living room. So I picked these up from my favorite place, Home Goods, and I kind of used the fall decor to kind of throw something in there. So this is, I think it's a cake holder, or I'm not even sure what it is, honestly. I think it's like one of those things that you put your perfume on, but I kind of made it a tree stand. So this is going to be my budget tree this year because I am moving and I don't want to buy a real tree, and I can't deal with the mess this year. So this is a really easy way to kind of get in the spirits without actually buying a real tree. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it with these mini balls and put the hooks on them. So this was a little bit tricky for me between taking them out, putting the hooks on. It took me about 15 minutes to get this all done. It was such a hassle, but I got it on. On the bottom, I'm adding these mini gold and silver mini trees. I feel like they added a little bit more depth to the bottom of the tree. Since the tree is so tiny, it just made it look a little bit more glam. So this is my little Home Goods creation. My little box, there's absolutely nothing in there, but for show's sake. So good, like every time I smell it, my taste buds like do something weird. So I kind of got stuck back there for a little bit, but I managed to get out. This project literally took the life out of me. Thank you guys. I'm gonna give you guys some virtual hugs. Thank you guys for watching my channel. If you like this video, make sure that you like, thumbs up, and subscribe. But what else I want you guys to do is to let me know if you want me to start making vlogs. Like, should I bring you guys to Home Goods? Should I bring you guys to Target? Like, show you my buying process, see how like I make similar decisions. But yeah, I'm super happy, super grateful you all. Make sure you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and hopefully you don't get cold. Merry Christmas.